So this project was not about repairing failure per se. It was more about function and design working together. Here, fiberglass is serving multiple purposes at once. It's waterproofing the roof, but it's also playing a major role in the overall aesthetics of the building. You can see that the architect designed these parapet structures specifically to keep the HVAC units out of sight. Instead of leaving the AC units exposed on the roof, they're fully surrounded by parapet walls, which preserves the clean look of the roof line and the building as a whole. We installed fiberglass wall caps around each parapet, tying everything into the roof surface as one continuous waterproof system. This keeps water out while maintaining sharp finish lines. In the event that water does enter these enclosures, you can see also that the drainage was built into the design. Drains are positioned along the sides of the parapet walls so water can exit properly instead of just sitting. This is a good example of how fiberglass isn't just a protective system, it can also be an architectural finish. It allows designers to hide mechanical equipment, manage water correctly, and maintain a clean, modern appearance at the same time. It's functional, it's durable, and in cases like this, it's also aesthetic.